Hello guys, today let us see how to create this part in Rhino 3D. So this is a geometry which is having three sections. This is a truncated cone section, and this is one cone, and this is one sphere. So this is joined together and made this. And let us see how to make this part in Rhino. So for that, just we'll start with a new sketch. We will go with the perspective view. So now just create a truncated cone first. It will have a base at 0. Let the diameter be 50, right? Let the height be 50, and let the top section be 25. So this is the truncated cone. Let us make a shell. Just type shell. Now which faces, these faces need to be made, like thickness can be of 2 mm. Done. That's it. It is in a hollow section. Now we will create the other cone. Same box section. In that cone, take cone, left click. Now the point is like 0 comma 0 comma 50, z height 50. Circle has been made. Now I will keep it 20. You can keep it as a 20 mm. Then you can keep the height as 100 mm. Then now let us make a sphere. Go to this section, center, radius, sphere. Make sure that this grid snap is turned on. If it is not turned on, you will not be able to snap it properly. So go take the sphere. Okay, that's it. Now we need to make one arc section. Let us create an arc section here. So first you take an arc section, this one. Now let us make it closer here. Okay, so again line, take this polyline, click the end, then press enter. Now one section has been made. Okay, that's it. Now let us click this, just bring it down. Now it's aligned properly. Now we'll just join it. Just press shift. Yes. Now we have joined it. Now it's a single structure. Now we'll go for make hole, then just select the surface, then drag it. So now hole has been made. Let's delete this, or else you can bring it down. You can just drag and bring it down, and you can just apply make hole. Done. Let us increase the size. Let's just press the shift key and just increase it. Okay, just press the shift key and just make this hollow section. All this has been discussed in the earlier videos. You can just check my YouTube videos. Now again I will go with make hole, done. I will select this curve, done. I will select the poly surface, done. Now I will just drag, okay, done. So that has been done. Now you can see that two sections, three section has been created. Again I will just make it small, shift, that's it. Now I'll just create a fillet here. Just go to this section, just choose fillet. Fillet is this one is the fillet. Just select that one, 4 mm, we'll keep it, 10, 10, 10. So fillet has been made. Now for coloring, to do the coloring you just need to go to the properties, then you need to select the part coloring. What you can select default layer, coloring different section. This also I have discussed in the earlier. This is based on coloring based on layer, so 3 different colors been done. Now zoom in. So this is how coloring has been done. Now we will have to give the texturing part. So for texturing we have to go with this rendering tool. Now in the rendered tool, so by default this is the structure. Now in rendering tool we have to take this section. In this section we have to add material. So the basic material which I am going to choose is custom. In custom I will add 2D texturing. Just drag and drop this once again, just drag and drop. You can select one by one, but let us make initially, let us make it one part. So union, Boolean Union, I will select all, done. Now this become one part. Again I will go with the render tool and in material, see this toggle material panel is the one we should click. We can find it here. Okay, it is material. Based on material we will change it. Again go to the rendered tool. Okay, now it has been a single part. Now we'll need this. Now here we will add different colors, red and white. Now we can increase this, as well as this. Then so this is how it's done. So you can see the texturing has been done completely. In the shaded scene this is the view, and in rendered this is the view. Now you can save this as a file. So for that you need to do the rendering, go to the rendering. Now there are few things which need to be taken care. So if you are going with the resolution, suppose you need to have an, you need to make an image, so this is a very important uh, setup initially. So here I'm making a 4K resolution. Draft quality I will keep it low quality. You can go for 1500 samples, but it will take a lot of computational power. So in order to demonstrate, I'm going with a low sample, low quality. Also, you can change the background. You can make it black. You can make it any color which you desire. I will go with the black. Again, this is where ground plate plain you need a shade. I will not go with the shade this time. If you are making it white, then obviously you can go with ground on to give a perspective, to give a good perspective. So here I am going with no. Now let this be the default. This is the variation of intensity, how much light intensity. Let's don't will not keep it change. Let it be in the default condition. Again, this is the color intensity, gamma intensity. Let that also be same. Here 100. Let me take it 50. This is the sample. This is also very important, and don't go in the initial, don't go for a higher value. It will take a lot of computational power. So let me take it as a 50. Then render, and texture by quality, let me keep it low and render it. Okay, now this is in a 4K aspect ratio. Now I don't want these curves all. So I will directly go and save it. So saving you can do anywhere as you like. So I will just keep it on the desktop, and I will save it as 4K. It can be made in JPG, any format, and keep it in JPG, save. Now when you come to this desktop, you can see the image. Yeah. So that's it, guys. This is how we render this part. Thank you.